U.S. chain store sales for this past week were slightly negative, with a drop of 0.3%, says the International Council of Shopping Centers. Now, for the most recent sales figure from a publicly traded jeweler, this information came from Burks & Mayers. They reported a 26% drop in sales for their first fiscal quarter. The sales declines were really felt in the U.S. as same-store sales fell 26%. Sales at the company's Canada stores fell only 13%. At this point, 1 year ago, diamond trading company site estimates through July were about $4.5 billion. This year, the estimate is at $1.4 billion, with July site wrapped up now. DTC has had 6 sites so far in 2009, whereas between January and July 2008, there had been 7 sites. What happened this past week, though, according to site holders we spoke with, is that DTC supply didn't quite meet demand. This was not a surprise, considering the hiatus of production since November. July site estimate was at $350 million. That was less than June's site by about 18%, but DTC said the site in late August was expected to be more and meet current market requests. Here is an update on the major operations of De Beers. Its Orapa No. 2 plant in Botswana will reopen shortly, leaving only the Dampshaw property in care and maintenance there. Namdeb is back after a 3-month holiday and production has resumed. 3 of the 5 marine vessels of De Beers Marine Namibia are at sea. 2 vessels remain in port. Canada's Victor and Snap Lake mines are on a production break. Snap Lake is set to resume normal production at the end of August, and Victor returns in early September. De Beers says it remains flexible given market conditions to respond quickly to either an increase or decrease in production as necessary. Here is a look at how precious metals held up this week. For all the latest industry news, please visit diamonds.net.